You'll have love at first sight with the 2019 Jeep Wrangler. With less than 60,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. The Wrangler delivers iconic style, future-focused technology, all-terrain capability, rugged power, and the ability to make your adventures truly your own. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, navigation system, keyless entry, premium sound system, satellite radio, heated mirrors, V6 cylinder engine, 4-wheel drive, 4-cylinder engine, fog lamps. On the road or the trail, be who you are in the Wrangler. Test drive it today.